reusing many of the ideas he used in Cyborg 009. Kamen Rider is about a man named Takeshi.
Are the same guy? That got the same man who make Cyborg 009. Yo, Cyborg 009 used to be so peak. We used to watch it on TVJ. I pass something man those who come from Jamaica can relate. But Cyborg, wanna know about Cyborg 009? On the squad. Man, I'm take on Egyptian gods. Right? Not even Egyptian gods, Greek gods. Other cyborgs is lightning cyborg. What shit the man them got through, dog? And I think him also responsible for Devilman. And you know, Devilman Crybaby goes crazy. I heard that original OG Devilman is good, but I'm not watch it yet. But at the same man who created Cyborg 009 and Devilman responsible for coming right, dog.
Uncle, who was kidnapped by